Facebook boasts some impressive statistics, solidifying its position as a social media giant. Here's a glimpse into some key areas. Users. Facebook reigns supreme. With over 3 billion monthly active users, making it the most used social media platform globally. India leads the pack with the most Facebook users, followed by the United States, Indonesia, and Brazil. Engagement. Over 2/3 of monthly users are active daily, spending an average of 30.9 minutes per day on the platform in the US Sprout Social. Interestingly, messaging friends and family remains the top activity, followed by video consumption, which accounts for a whopping 50% of the time spent on Facebook. Demographics. The 25 to 34 age group holds the biggest user base, though Facebook usage among teens has declined significantly. Interestingly, the platform has a slight skew towards male users. Business. Facebook continues to be a financial powerhouse. Meta, Facebook's parent company, raked in $134.90 billion in revenue in 2023, with advertising being a major source of income. With an average revenue per user of $13.12, Facebook's business model remains strong.